Okay, it's raining and it's raining hard. It's awesome and sucks a little bit at the same time. I mean, I'm still liking it. I am liking this. But that's what the boat's tied to. I don't know if I can get it on the camera. That tree, this tree right here is what the boat is tied to. That tiny little tree, this big ass boat. At least it's not a papaya tree. I don't know what kind of tree it is, but it's a good strong tree for its size. Everybody's asleep. I don't know why. It's kind of nice out here, but I'm going to stay up a little bit longer. We're going to take the skip out 6 a.m. and I'm going to get up early just for that. And I don't think everybody's going to want to go. I heard a bunch of complaints that it was too early, so they'll probably go in the afternoon. I want to get this done early. Too exciting. Oh, the bugs. The bugs over here are complete a-holes. They're not like the nice bugs we have back home. These bugs suck. They're mean. Oh yeah. Telling you. Alright. Bye-bye.